This is the last penthouse unit in Park McKinley West.
This 212 square meter, 3-bedroom penthouse unit is still under construction and will be ready by October 2026. The location is Legrand Avenue, McKinley West, Fort Bonifacio, Taguig. It's only 300 meters away from BGC, accessible to Forbes Park, Manila Polo Club, Manila Golf Club, Dasmariñas Village, Ayala Makati, St. Luke's BGC, upcoming subway station, and only 20 to 30 minutes away to NAIA, making this unit perfect for your personal use or retirement home. It is also one elevator away to a bi-level mall on the ground floor. The unit will be facing east with views of McKinley Hill and Antipolo Mountains. For this tower, we're only offering units for Filipino buyers with perpetual ownership. We're offering rent-to-own terms for this project, 10% down payment to move in next year. Price for this 212 square meter 3-bedroom penthouse is 87 million with 20% discount for cash payment.
We also offer 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom units for sale here in Park McKinley West. Send me a message to know more. This is Del from Mega World at the Fort.